We've had the Bison 120 from EvoQuip here now a couple of days. I'd say the house is probably about 2/3 down. Probably crushed somewhere in the region of about 200 cubic metres of material. From I got the machine here in site, when it actually arrived till I was up and crushing, probably was less than 10 minutes. It's very, very easy to set up. Quite easy to transport. I was actually able to pick it up with my own tractor and trailer. And then whenever I'm crushing and I need to move the machine, the remote control lets you track from the cab. I can change the closed site setting if I want to change material. And if I do get a blockage, I can reverse the jaw to clear it. I've saved on money by not having the disposal cost of the rubble and not having to buy new hardcore in to do my fill. I can make all the material I need here myself. I'm probably crushing a 3-inch material, mainly for fill, but I've also been able to make a smaller, like a -1-inch product for top cover. I'm probably at least a day and a half, if not 2, ahead of schedule because I haven't had to arrange the disposal of material and I haven't had to book new material in, so it's a win-win situation. What can I say, the Bison 120, it's made me a very happy man.